Okay, I am impressed by this pump. It comes with a set of adapters. This one goes in here. It's in a plastic base and plastic in color, which is common, thick and sturdy. I'm not concerned that it's not cast iron, really. This initial adapter that goes on there, if you look there, it has an O-ring on it, which is kind of nice. And so you can hook it up a variety of ways. It comes with a float switch, and it's on a rather long cord. Okay, you can see it there. And got it plugged in over here to kind of give you an idea. And it has to get up this high. Okay, well, listen. So my concern is, I don't know if this is going to work. I got it for a sump pit. I'm not really sure that this is going to, I mean, it's quite a high base. I think it'll work. I'm not sure if this is really a good solution for an actual sump pump. It's an impressive pump. But I got it because we have two sumps in our house, and my daughter has one. It seems like every couple of years one goes up, goes bad, and so I got it as a spare. But I'm not sure it can be used as a spare. At least I'm gonna have to check it out, and I don't have the opportunity to do that yet.
So I've got the 6699 1.5 horsepower water pump here with a float shutoff. Right here is, as soon as you lift it up, the pump kicks on. As soon as it drops, it shuts off, which is nice because it's not going to run dry. The water line I've got hooked up is a 1-inch internal diameter water line, and this thing puts out an enormous amount of water. Let me see if I can actually pick this up and put it into the pool here and see what we can get to happen. It is quite heavy, and it has already started. Got it set up there, and man, oh man, is this thing kicking out some water. It is, like I said, this is an internal 1-inch diameter water hose, and it is just really shooting out there. This will empty the pool very, very quickly. But like I said, the nice thing is, I'm gonna get it to stay because it really wants to take off. It's pushing out so much water, it just wants to take off on you. So let me go ahead and disconnect it before it does empty the kids' pool out, and then they're gonna be very unhappy with me. But yeah, this thing is quite amazing. You know, and as soon as it drops, the water level drops too much, this float here, it will shut off. So, like I said, it'll keep you from burning up the pump.
That's off. Wow.
Got this pump to clean my tankless system myself. It seems to be working pretty good.